Hello everyone, welcome to Anisha's Simple Recipes. So today I'm making a classic Punjabi favorite, Rajma Masala, which is also known as kidney beans. This dish is perfect blend of flavors and it's best enjoyed with some steamed rice or soft chapatis. Well, Rajma is not only tasty but also packed with fiber and protein, making a healthy choice for your meals. To start, we need a cup of dried rajma. I took about 200 grams here and soaked overnight in about 2 to 3 cups of water to make it soft and cook evenly. If you're in a hurry, a quick soak for a few hours will do. And show me, okay? Yummy.